Hi, my name is Devangshi. This weekend I worked on this exciting project called Buddy Please Study, an AI powered study buddy that turns studying into something way more engaging and even fun. If you're like me, you probably struggle with reading long PDFs or even short ones, honestly. They're just not the most exciting, right? I've always found myself zoning out, staring at a wall, or maybe scrolling through social media just to escape the pain. But then I thought, what if there was a way to make learning feel more like a conversation? What if studying wasn't just me trying to memorize a page, but more like eavesdropping on an interesting conversation between two people? And that's where Buddy Please Study comes in. So here's how it works. You upload a PDF. I'm going to upload a research paper which is about random sampling, and it's going to load for a few seconds. It will get to work immediately, reading the text and extracting the key concepts. Here's the fun part.
Imagine you
Okay,
have
there we
a
go.
big bag of candies, okay? Okay. And you want to give some to your friends, but you want to make sure it's fair so everyone has the same chance of getting their favorite candy. Yeah. Simple random sampling is like closing your eyes and picking candies from the bag. Each candy has the same chance of being picked. So it's like a lucky dip. Exactly. It's like a lucky dip. You don't choose based on color or shape, it's just random to be fair. But what if I only pick red candies by accident? That could happen, but if you have lots and lots of candies in the bag and you pick a good handful, you'll probably get a mix of all sorts of candies, not just red ones. It is just about chance, but it's designed to be fair. I get it. It is about fairness. You got it. Simple random sampling is all about giving everyone an equal chance, like picking names from a hat.
Okay. So the fun part was that instead of just reading the text back to you or summarizing it, the app turns it into a lively conversation between two people. It's like having your own personal study session, but with the added bonus of keeping it interesting. And to make things even more fun, you can change the mood of the conversation. You're not just stuck with one style. So you can choose any of these. I'm going to choose brain rot and I'm going to say, explain arrays. I'll keep it simple for the demo. Or binary tree. Binary tree. Okay, it's going to start generating again. And we have like the normal podcast way. 5-year-old, we just saw that with the research paper. Funny would just be like there will be some jokes. Brain rot would be a lot of Gen Z slang, and yelling would be for people who just need that little push. So these are the modes.
Hi, fam. So, binary tree, like imagine a family tree, but only two kids per parent, you feel? Bruh, two kids only, that's kind of sus. I know, right? Each parent is a node, and those kids are its children, also known as left and right child. Basically, it's a tree structure where each node can have, at most, two children only. Imagine this thing in your head, bruh. So it is like a decision tree kind of stuff. Sort of far, but like code-wise, each node holds some data and then pointers or links to its left and right kids. If a node ain't got no kids, we call it a leaf node. Kind of poetic if you think about it. Okay, I'm following. So how do we use these things? Like, are they even useful or just for flexing skills? No, binary trees are legit useful. Think searching stuff real quick, like in databases or search engines, also good for sorting data, and even compilers use them for parsing code. It's basically like a god tier data structure. Yo, that makes sense. So binary tree equals max two children per node. Got it. Anything else I should know before I get canceled for misinformation? Just remember there are like different types of binary trees. Some are balanced, some are not. A balanced tree is when the left and right subtrees of every node differ in height by no more than one. Imagine you got one side that's too long, you are going to have a bad time navigating. A balance tree is optimized so you can find data in the optimal time frame. I balance trees based in unbalanced trees cringe. Imago flex this knowledge now. Peace out.
Nice. So now, while Buddy Please Study is already pretty cool, I'm planning on taking it even further. I'm looking into adding a quiz feature that will come after each lesson. But this isn't just any quiz, it will be interactive, so you can actually speak your answers and the app will give you instant feedback. That way, learning stays fun and you can immediately see what you've retained. Obviously, it is optional, and so there you have it. Buddy Please Study. It's a fun, engaging, and educational tool that turns studying into something you can enjoy. Whether you need a more laid back approach or you're looking for a no nonsense teacher to yell at you, Buddy Please Study has got your back. It's definitely been an exciting project to work on, and I can't wait to see where it goes next. Thanks so much for checking it out.